Hey everybody, I'm going to bring you into the lab today. We're making a dragonfruit berry tea, and in my mortar I have freeze-dried dragonfruit, strawberries, and peony flowers. When you're making a tea, you don't want to use chunks that are too large because they don't necessarily fit in the tea bag. But you don't want them to be too small either. Which is why I prefer to use freeze-dried fruits when I'm making specific blends. With dragon fruit and with flowers, I'm getting the hot pink color that I want. And when you crush flowers in your mortar, you don't want to leave the stem pieces in your blend. So pull those out. Pull them out. They're not necessarily poisonous, but they're bitter. And if you have any larger chunks, you break those up with your fingers. You can already see the pink color transferring to my glove. Should be really pretty tea. We're going to blend this with chamomile, white peony leaf, peony flowers, red plum flowers, and gomphrena flowers. And I also added, for a little burst of pop of color, I added some forget-me-nots just for color in the blend, and it adds a little more of a floral boost to the flavor, but the overall flavor will be berry. I think I'm going to grab a few more strawberries. I'll be right back. Okay, so like the Gemini I am, I changed my mind and decided to add a few pieces of apple as well. These are some freeze-dried Honeycrisp apples that I've been wanting to use for something for a while. So I'm going to give these a good grind. Make sure those berries and apples are in smaller chunks so that we can incorporate at least a little piece in each bag. I've got my crushed dragon fruit, strawberry, and apple pieces all added to my white peony leaf, peonies, chamomile, red plum, and gomphrena flower mix. So we're going to take this and mix it all together to make sure all of the leaves and flowers get coated with that dragon fruit and strawberry powder, basically, that we made. So you coat them all with that, and the little pieces of fruit that remain will be incorporated into the brew. Now, you go in and you add more fruit. And there's our blend.